Hello everyone, welcome to Brucey Malus. Today we'll be fixing the smart navigation system and the front camera for the Nissan Dualis. So this Android smart navigation system is from Junsun, and the front camera is also from Junsun. So we bought this separately. The smart navigation system is around 320 Australian dollars and the Junsun camera is $50. The back parking camera comes along with the smart navigation system. There's an Android one, and these are the components that we got along with this. Let's look at the features for the smart navigation system. So this is a 32 GB and 2 GB RAM. It has got Bluetooth, the steering wheel controls, touch screens. You can connect to your iPod, and this panel also comes along with the smart camera for Dualis. The smart navigation system for Dualis. And let's look at the camera now. This is the camera for $50. Same company, Junsun. It's an ADAS camera. That is the driver assistance system. And these are the components that we have. So let's see how we can fix this for the Nissan Dualis. We'll be replacing this existing navigation system, and we'll be replacing with the new Android Junsun navigation system. So this one currently that we have is the basic one that comes with the car, and we'll be moving that to the new one. So we have to remove these two pieces from these two components from the old, and then have to keep it in the new one.
Okay, this lead is for the front camera, so we'll just insert that through the glove box hole. So that's a USB connector in the other side. Okay, so we are almost done with. So what we did now, this is the back camera lead from back. So we connected the plug here, and then this is the back. So when you turn the gear to reverse, so this is the back camera lead, and there's another extra wire here, so you need to actually connect those two together. Okay, so when you place the gear in back, it automatically switch that display to the camera, and we'll show you what we did in the back.
This is the back camera. It has got all now we are trying the front camera. There are two USB ports, so you have to make sure that it is connected to the right port. It only works in one port, so before fixing this Android unit, you have to make sure that the camera is fitted in the right USB port. And now we are actually trying to fix the camera. The app comes in within the camera, so once you have installed the Android unit, you will have to just install the SDK and the apps gets installed automatically. And we are now trying to fix it. And this is an ADAS camera, so it's a lane assistant, and the camera is pretty clear. Okay, so we have installed everything. All the cameras have been placed correctly. Now let's check what are the functionalities in this head unit. So this is an Android unit, so all the Android apps can be installed in here. And in order to see the front camera, you have to install the HD drive recording app. And once you click on to that app, you should be able to see the front camera in here. Now let's check the back camera. Assistance. Let's quickly have a look at the apps that we have. For the mirror link, you will have to install the EC Connect app, both in your phone and in the Android head unit. And once you have the EC Connect, all you have to do is click onto this app, and you should be able to mirror link your phone. All the normal Android apps are available, or you can download it from Play Store. So this looks really good. You can definitely change all the wallpapers and how it looks for you. So we are trying to connect the phone to this Android unit. It's an Android phone, so as I said, you have to just use the EC Connect option. And yeah, the phone got locked, but yes, and the phone will be shown. You will be able to mirror the phone screen in here. So that's the YouTube. It works really well.
Hello everyone, welcome to Prisima News. This time we are going to review the Bar 5.1.
Okay, so it's about this Junsun Android unit. Hope you all like the video. Please share and subscribe for more exciting videos, and if you have any doubts, please comment and we'll be happy to respond. Thanks a lot for watching Prisima News.